Parasites in puppies are common. Panic is not the answer. Roundworms and hookworms? Use parental pomoate. Repeat every 2-3 weeks in young pups. On older pups, use Panacor, which is fenbendazole 1 cc per every 4 pounds for 3 days. If resistant, use for 7 days and repeat in 3 weeks. Whipworms? Fenbendazole for 3 consecutive days. Repeat in 3 weeks. Giardia, fenbendazole 5 days, sometimes combined with metronidazole. This mix is strong watch for stomach issues. Coccidia sulfadimethoxine 5-10 days or ponazuril for 3 days, depending on severity. Tapeworms, praziquantel, usually single dose. Always weigh properly. Always follow vet guidance. Always repeat fecals. Parasites are manageable with protocol, not emotion.